Minasan konbanwa. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you for a ride from the edge of Tokyo Station, starting at Nihonbashi, all the way over to Kiba Station. Tokyo is so multi-layered. Right now we are riding underneath the elevated highway, while directly beneath our feet is the Tozai Metro subway line. It's a main artery that connects the heart of the city to Chiba. To your right, that tall black building is the Tokiwabashi Tower. It is right in front of the Tokyo Station. It was finished just a few years ago, 2021, but it's actually just the opening act for what's happening right next door. Check out this massive construction site to your left. This is where the Torch Tower will rise once finished in 2027. It's said to be the tallest building in Japan, reaching 390 meters. It's meant to look like a torch lighting up the city. It's wild to think that in few years, in this exact place, it's going to look completely different. But I'll take you back here for another ride then. This road to the left leads to the legendary Nihonbashi, which literally translates to Japan Bridge. Since 1603, this has been the kilometer zero for the entire country. If you see a road sign anywhere in Japan saying 100 kilometers to Tokyo, for example, they are measuring the distance specifically to a bronze marker in the middle of that bridge. Back in the Edo period, you could see Mount Fuji from that bridge. These days, you are mostly seeing the bottom of an expressway, but the bridge itself is still a masterpiece of stonework and features beautiful bronze dragons called kirins. There is actually a massive multi-billion yen project currently underway to move that overhead highway underground to reveal the sky above Nihonbashi again, though it won't be finished until the 2030s. I'm sure we'll check Nihonbashi in closer detail in the future. This road we're on is called Eitai-dori. It got the name from the bridge it serves. Ei kanji from Eitai literally means eternal, and Tai means generations. So the bridge name is kind of a prayer for it to last for eternal generations. This road, besides being a main road, it connects the Imperial Palace directly from the Otemon Gate to the east side of the city. And here we are at the blue steel Eitai Bridge, a symbol of Tokyo's resilience. It didn't last forever, it was rebuilt several times. The last in 1936, after the Great Kanto earthquake. Back in Edo period, this was a wooden bridge. We ride next into Monzen-Nakacho, and we will pass by the Tomioka Hachiman Shinto Shrine. But first, I have to comment about the sensory overload building covered in LED panels and neon lines. I bet you are wondering about it as well. This is Stardust. It's a Pachinko parlor. If you don't know what Pachinko is, think of it as a form of pinball gambling. Pachinko is a multi-billion-dollar industry here in Japan, so it's quite common. Finally, to your left, you can see a red torii gate marking the entrance to the Tomioka Hachiman Shrine. This is the literal birthplace of pro sumo wrestling. Inside there is a stone monument with the names of every grand champion, or yokozuna, ever crowned. We are ending at Kiba, the old timber yard of Tokyo. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed. You are welcome to leave some feedback in the comments, and of course, like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. See you again soon. Mata ne!